Hello guys, welcome to How to Fix Tech. In this video guys, we are going to do the steps after you building your PC. Let's say you make a PC or install the fresh window on your laptop or the computer. So what steps you need to do after installation or the building the PC for you. So I will show you step by step. The most important step is to remove the unwanted software from your Windows. So go to Windows search bar, type there add or remove program. Okay, click on that, add or remove programs. Many programs come by default when you install the fresh Windows, so you need to uninstall them, like maps. These are the uninstalled software. This consumes the RAM as well as the hard disk and the other resources of the computer, so it's time to remove them completely. You can see mixed reality portal, I don't need this. News also, I don't need this. OneNote is, let it be. You can see phone link, I don't need this. Okay, advanced. Okay, some of the software we are not able to remove it, so let it be. I don't need this. Support assistant Dell. Tips, also don't need this. PC health tool, uninstall this. Xbox, if you don't play the game you can remove this, so I'm leaving it. So this is the first step to remove all the unwanted software from your Windows. Also, so this is the first option after installing the Windows or the building the PCs. You have to remove all the unwanted software or the programs from your Windows. In the second method, we will disable the startup programs to make your computer faster and boost your performance. You just need to right click on here, taskbar setting, then click on task manager. You can press also Control Shift and Escape key, and then go to this tab, performance. Now you can analyze the performance here. Now in my case everything is going fine, but you can go to the startup apps. You can see here startup apps. Okay, and make sure you disable all the startup apps here. Like if these are enabled, I have already disabled them. These should be enabled, like Microsoft OneDrive. Okay, just right click and disable them. Right click and disable them. Disabling does not mean that these program or the software will not open. It will open the manually once you click on this option to enable. Like you can see here, click on disable, and also disable all the programs here, except leave this security healthy one only. This is for Microsoft security, so don't change anything from this. Okay, and once this is done, we are done. Startup apps, other program will be stopped running in the background. So in the third method, we will stop the background apps from the running in the background as well. So click on start menu, then click on settings. Once you click on setting, go to privacy options. Now in the privacy section, go to first general. Okay, and disable them. Let the show manually. Let website shows me locally relevant content by accessing my language, so I don't want to read this. Let Windows improve the start and search result by tracking apps launches. Just disable that. Come back, then go to speech. Also disable this option. I have already done that. Inking and typing personalization, custom linking, and just disable this. diagnostic feedback, send optional data, help Microsoft improve the experience, fix the problems. Just disable this. I don't need this. Go back. Activity history, just disable this also. Store my activity on this device. Jump back into the what you were doing on your device, storing your activity, including information about the website you browse and how you use the apps. Just disable this. Search permission, let it be searching websites. If you don't use the notification, if you don't want to allow the notifications coming here, just disable them. Okay, so after applying these methods, go to create partition and make sure there is no unallocated space there. Click on this option, create and format the hard disk partitions. And if you have unallocated space there, just right click it and new volume and simply assign the new letter to it, and you will get the new volume here, file explorer, this option. Okay, you will get the new your volume here. And in the fourth method, we will look for the Windows update. Make sure you are updated the Windows after installing and building the PC. This is very important part. Click on check for update and make sure there is no pending updates here. Wait and finish it, and after the restart, after applying these methods, I can ensure you that your PC will be running faster and you are able to get the best result from your PC. Okay, so hope this video is useful for you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching how to fix